so I'm gonna have this for breakfast. It's quick and easy. 10 grams of protein. All I have to do is add water to it. And then I have to get ready to film and do some work today. So that's what we're gonna do. Quick and easy flapjacks. It's not looking too. What is that? Okay, the texture's a little bit better. It definitely looks like a pancake. We're gonna add some maple syrup and see how that goes. It's actually not bad. I mean, a real pancake obviously would have been better, but I gotta edit and stuff. I have to film. I already did my makeup, so I've got that good to go. So as you guys know, I'm going through my personal training certification. I'm almost done. So I've been taking that. I need to get it done because you have a limited amount of time to like finish everything to take the test, or else you have to rebuy the thing. So, and I have procrastinated quite a bit. So I really need to get on that so I can take the test. So I'm gonna study, get through my courses, film, and then edit, probably take a break, work out, and then come back, make lunch. But yeah, it's not the best, but it's not the worst. If you're looking for quick pancakes, you can buy these individuals at like Kroger. They're like the Kodiak pancakes. Not bad, you just need a lot of maple syrup. Alright guys, I just finished my Princess Polly try-on haul. So now I have to clean up because this is the aftermath of every haul. Okay, so I've gotten it to something that looks okay. Now I'm going to, oh wait, hold on, I'm gonna pull these pieces out because it's a little too tight and I feel like a messier look is cuter. Okay guys, so I just did my hair for the gym. I'm in my gym fit. I'm gonna make some lunch before I go because I am starving and I just know if I don't eat, I'm gonna feel very weak when trying to do legs. So that's what we're gonna do real quick and then let it digest a little bit and then we're gonna go to the gym. But outfit is the sports bra is Gymshark Minimal Sports Bra, and this is actually a Princess Polly shrug that I just thought matched. It was cute. And then these are the Alpha Elite Amplify in the Silver Sky in OG color. I just think it's, yeah, I'm here for it. Okay, so what I'm gonna make for lunch is I've got broccoli. I have to cook some lean ground turkey. This is 93% lean. And then some rice, but the way I'm gonna cook it is a little bit different. I found, so this video is actually sponsored by Dr. Kellyanne Bone Broth. She has quite a few flavors of bone broth that you can mix into your food, get a little bit of extra protein with. So I'm so excited to try these. I've only ever cooked my rice in water, but I recently have been seeing a bunch of people talk about bone broth and cooking it in their rice to add extra nutrients. So this is like individual packets. So what I'm gonna do is put water in there and then put the packet in there, let the water heat, and then I'm gonna cook the rice. It has 16 grams of protein per serving. So for me, I try and get in at least 135 to 140 grams of protein. That's usually, I haven't weighed myself in a while, but that's my estimate of what I weigh. So I try and eat 1 gram per pound. This is just an easy, quick way to get in extra protein. It's a natural source of collagen. It's low calorie, low carb. It has no cholesterol, fat, or sugar. It's keto friendly, paleo friendly, no dairy, no gluten. So 70 calories in the packet. I also got this cookbook, which is really cool. So you can have some other like ideas to mix it in with. You could probably do it in pasta as well. Put it in your smoothies. Like, let's get to cooking. I almost knocked you guys over. Okay, so lunch pre-workout is rice, avocado, broccoli, lean ground beef, and then some taco sauce. It's high protein plus the bone broth. I feel like there's like a slight flavor, but I don't know how to describe it because like I don't know what home style is, but it's really good. Like it's 16 grams of protein and it's not bad. Yeah, I'm here for it. I'm trying to do like a voiceover workout for TikTok and Instagram, but my mic is not hard. Alrighty guys, I finished, something's in my nose. Finished at the gym. Yeah, I finally got my mic to work, so I have like a mic'd up workout I can post on my reels and TikTok. I'll do a voiceover for my workout on here as well. I feel very productive. I went earlier too. It's not even dark out. I'm getting home. I'm excited. What I'm pretty much gonna do is go home, shower, eat dinner, and edit this. So I'm just gonna end off the video here. Thank you so much for watching a little vlog, day in my life. Yeah, I love you guys, and hopefully you enjoy watching my videos. Hopefully they're not boring, but I appreciate the support you guys give me. Yeah, comment down below. Let's chit chat. I'm driving, so I gotta go. Love you guys. See you in my next video.